Mallareddy College of Engineering welcomes freshmen to Induction Program 2020. Today's theme is familiarizing the first year department, the Department of Humanities and Basic Sciences by Mr. Shashi Kumar, Associate Professor and Head. If we see the overview of today's presentation, it is categorized into 6. First one is we will learn something about different courses at MRCE and how are they different from each other. Second one, what is the necessary for induction program for the first years. Third, familiarizing the first year department, that is Humanities and Basic Science Department. Fifth one, learning about how sub-departments are involved in the H&S department for the growth of the students in learning the basic science subjects. Sixth one, the activities in the department. Let's see about some of the courses in MRCE in 2020. MRCE offers 9 courses for this academic year. They are Computer Science and Engineering, CSE Data Science, CSE Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, CSE Internet of Things, Information Technology, Information Technology and Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Electronics and Computer Engineering, Mechanical Engineering. Students has chosen these following courses of their own interest. Most of the students are not aware of new courses. Now I will explain how they are different from each other. The new courses which have been introduced by the JNTU this academic year are the variants of Computer Science and Engineering. So if you see the variants of Computer Science Engineering, they are AIML, DS, IoT, IT and ITE. IT, ITE, CSE, AIML, CSE DS, CSE IoT, all these are the variants of Computer Science and Engineering. There is no difference between Computer Science and Engineering and these courses. As you are all aware that identical twins do not have same fingerprints, though their DNA is identical. Similarly, all these branches are similar as that of DNA. Only difference is fingerprints. If we move on to the computer science is a study about design, implementation of information systems of both software and hardware process. Students need to understand algorithms, data structure, architecture, artificial intelligence, robotics, database and its maintenance, and some programming languages. Information technology and engineering, both branches are same, but the only difference is engineering tag is added to ITE. Basically, IT deals with software to store, to protect, to transmit and securely retrieve the data. It is also deals with installation and development of computer systems and its application. Students learn database maintenance and networking. Now let us understand newly introduced courses based on the market demand. AI/ML is the combination of computer science, natural language, psychology, neuroscience, and data science. The ultimate motto of this branch is to make machine intelligent and smart. DS deals with organizing and analyzing the massive amount of data and makes decision from it for effective business. It uses probability and statistics, machine learning and artificial intelligence. The other branch is Internet of Things. Internet of Things describes the network of physical objects, things that are embedded with sensors, software and other technologies for the purpose of connecting and exchanging data with other devices and systems over the internet. The common thing what we find in all these are you have to be well versed in programming. Let's see how variants are different. Then if we see the Venn diagram of variants in CSC, we understand that all the variants are interlinked with each other. Deep learning, machine learning are the subset of artificial intelligence, but all three depends on data science. Now when it comes to the other core departments, they are electronics and communication engineering, electronics and computer engineering, and mechanical engineering. Electronics and communication engineering and electronics and computer engineering, they belongs to the core department of electrical engineering. Electronics and communication engineering involves researching, designing, developing and testing of electronic equipment used in various systems. This stream of engineering deals with analog transmission, basic electronics, microprocessors, solid state devices, digital and analog communication, analog integrated circuits, microwave engineering, satellite communication, antenna and wave propagation. It also deals with the manufacturing of electronic device circuits and communication equipment. Electronics and computer engineering is the integration of electrical engineering and computer science to develop computer systems. Both these disciplines are closely linked each other to develop new products and systems, thus increasing the accuracy, speed and quality of information source and technology. The other core department is mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineering is the study, design, development, construction and testing of mechanical and thermal sensors and devices, including tools, engines and machines. Mechanical engineers work mostly in engineering services, research and development and manufacturing. So these are some of the information about what courses are and how are they useful and what we have to learn in these courses. Now let's move on to the next part, why induction program for freshmen. The induction program is most important in the technical institutions. As we all know, the transition from school to college life is most challenging for the student. He joins the college with diverse thoughts, different backgrounds and different preparations. So it is most important and challenging for us to make the student acquainted to the new environment. Till 2 years back, college used to conduct 2 days orientation program to make students familiar to the college. It was not effective and enough for the students. So UGC has introduced a new approach in helping out the students. They introduce induction program for 2 weeks. UGC has given a guidelines to the college to teach few important things to the students. So in the induction program, student will learn human values and ethics, soft skills, communication skills, and computer skills for the all-round development of the student. And also he will get familiarized to the different departments. College has taken all measures to conduct induction program as per the guidelines of university. So we have started this program last week to help out the students in all aspects. So being a part of it, today I want to familiarize my first year department, Humanities and Basic Science department to you. As we know, B.Tech is a 4 year course in which first year syllabus is common to all courses. In the first year, students learn all basic science and math subjects. These subjects are taught by Humanities and Basic Science department. That's why we planned and made all students to come under one umbrella in the first year, so that they can be guided and supervised easily. Department of Humanities and Sciences has taken initiation to help out the first year students. In this regard, H&S department started guiding and supervising the students in the first year. Department believes in holistic approach in grooming the students for future ready. The department guides all the students in all means to make him a successful engineer by building moral character of the students, by providing value-based education, by fostering the fundamental principles and making them understand science to enhance the students' basic knowledge of engineering. Now moving on to the department, math and science is required for engineer to study any phenomenon in the universe. He applies principles of science and math to develop economical solutions to technical problems. Both subjects are important when you are planning to study engineering. Now, let us see how each basic subject helps the engineer to become successful. Let's see the importance of mathematics for engineers. The Department of Mathematics teaches following math subjects to the students to give a strong foundation for them. Students will be learning some of the concepts like complex numbers, Laplace transforms, probability and statistics, integration and differentiation, linear algebra, discrete mathematics, random variables. If we see the importance of what we have learned in the mathematics, mathematics is required for generating algorithms for computer or other devices to perform a task. Suppose you want to link client number, address, phone number and other pertaining information in relational database, you require discrete mathematics. Discrete mathematics is used in graph theory for better routes to reach destination in logistics. Calculus is used in machine learning. One good example of it is gradient descent, which tells how much the output changes with respect to the input. Similarly, we use Laplace equations to study reliability of microelectronic chips under heat. The next important department is Department of Physics. This department help out the students in the first year to understand the concept easily and effectively. Naturally, you know, there are natural phenomena in the universe. To learn about them, you need to have a broad knowledge of physics. So that's why physics is most important for the engineers. Here in the first year, in engineering, students are taught specific tools of physics to understand and create new devices. The student will be learning something about quantum mechanics, semiconductor physics, optoelectronics, electromagnetic theory, dielectric properties, magnetic properties, dynamics and mechanics. Quantum mechanics make the students to understand multidimensional behavior of microparticles like electrons. Learning semiconductor physics and optoelectronics, student will be able to construct electronic devices and study its characteristics. Studying optical fibers and lasers makes the students to have broad knowledge about upcoming communication systems. The next important department is chemistry. So in chemistry, students learn electrochemistry, water and treatment, stereochemistry, molecular structure and spectroscopy, corrosion. By studying the molecular structure and theories of bonding, student will have a knowledge of effect of doping on conductance. Student acquire the knowledge of electrochemistry, corrosion and water treatment, which are essential for the engineers in industry. Study of stereochemistry is useful for understanding reaction pathways. So that's what we will learn in the chemistry. The next important department is English. If anybody asks what is the importance of English in the daily life, we have these points. English is a global language. Studying English can help you get a job. Learning English can help you meet new people. Many scientific papers are written in English. English is the language of internet. English is one of the most important language for business. With English you can study all over the world. English give you access to the multiple cultures. With so much importance, the Department of English focus on first year students to improve their soft skills, communication skills, vocabulary, grammar, reading and writing. Language lab is introduced to improve speaking skills with clarity and confidence, which in turn enhance their employability skills. So things what he will learn in engineering is the phonetics, vocabulary, comprehension, fluency. So all these will be inculcated in the students in the first year itself by the Department of English. Now let's move on to the department, what it hosts. Department encourages sports, co-curricular and extracurricular activities for all-round development of the student and hosts the following events like induction program, techno-cultural fest, international conference, traditional day. We also conduct saviskara to extract the talent of the student. We conduct on the regular base the faculty parent meet, yoga classes and personality development. You can see the photographs of the events which have been held in the past, which we have hosted. I thank you all the students who has given this opportunity, and I am very much thankful to the principal who had always encouraged me in all aspects. So I really thank all behalf of the college for providing this opportunity. Thank you one and all.